So sometimes you just got to show up, even when it's messy, even when it's awkward, even when it's bumpy. And then there are also times when you have to give yourself permission to not show up. So right now I'm recording. I have my cat here. I'll show you my cute little cat, little kitten. She's so adorable, right? Totally adorable. Will not go down for her nap so that mommy can record her videos in peace. So we're going to have some distractions. So I am showing up even though things are kind of messy and awkward, and I'm going to keep going. And then last week, I actually took a break off of doing the videos for 5 days because I needed some time to regroup. I needed some time to drop into my intuition a little bit deeper so that I can find the message again. And this is the flow. It's not always perfect. It's not always going to be, there's my cat destroying the counter over there. It's not always going to be exactly this wonderful show. But the reality is that when you show up in all of you, when you show up authentically, people are able to connect more effectively with you. So don't be afraid of occasionally showing up messy, even though you would like it to be all perfect. But occasionally it's okay to show up messy, and occasionally it's okay to take a break from being consistent every single day. You're not going to collapse. It's not going to implode despite what other people tell you. Lean into what you know. Trust your inner knowing and what works for you. I'm Dana Ferrant, and this is your Badass Business Mindset.